Hi everyone! Today we are going to be making a keychain of Luffy's straw hat. First, let's start off with a small piece of yellow clay, roughly the size of a gumball, maybe a little bit bigger. Then add a little piece of dark brown and white clay. Now mix. To make it easier on your hands, cut it into little pieces. You can also use a roller or pasta machine to help with the process. I used the pasta machine. Now take two circular cookie cutters. The bigger one is for the base and smaller one for the top. Cut out the base of the hat with the bigger cookie cutter. Take the remaining clay and roll it into a ball. Check the size. And now we are going to cut one end of it while also comparing it to the base, making sure it's the right size. Take two fingers and roll the clay into a rounded shape while also shaping the top and bottom. You can use tweezers to remove any random cat hairs. Now place it on top of the base, making sure it's centered. This part is optional, but you can take a needle tool and smooth where the two pieces meet. With a small piece of bright red clay, we are going to make the ribbon. Pass it through the pasta machine on the thinnest setting and cut it into a strip. Place the ribbon carefully on the hat. accordingly in the back. Hands clean. Now with a knife-like tool, we are going to add some little details. Wait, let's clean. Using rubbing alcohol and some Q-tips, we can remove any fingerprints or rogue dust from the surface. Now back to detailing. Indent lines of varying lengths along the edge of the hat. I like to repeat 2 small and 1 long. Press the ribbon into the bottom half to remove any spaces between them and make little lines and wrinkles along the way. For the top half, make a little crosshatch pattern. For the sides, you can make X's, lines, or more crosshatches. Take a needle tool and/or toothpick to press into the back of the hat. This will make putting the eye pin easier. There are 2 types of eye pins. One has kind of like a screw bottom and the other one is just smooth. For the smooth one, it's best if you bend it since it'll hold better. Today we are going to use the screw one. Also grab a ring and connector. Place them to the side. We are going to add liquid bakeable clay to the eye pin so it adheres better while baking. Bake at the temperature and duration instructed on your clay. And we are back! Time to put everything together. Take the ring and attach it to the eye pin with the connector. please like and subscribe. Bye!